you're learning data analytics right now, I need you to pause for a second, because most beginners don't fail because they are not smart. They fail because they are following the wrong sequence, and that's the scary part. You won't even realize you are wasting time until months has passed. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact mistake most beginners make, why tutorials are slowing you down, and the structure that actually makes you job ready. We're going to fix this early in this video. So here's what usually happens. Most times, beginners search for how to become a data analyst. You see 20 different roadmaps. One says Excel, another says Python, someone says SQL first, someone says Power BI. So you try to learn everything, and now you're watching tutorials, but deep down, you feel scattered. That feeling, right? That's not lack of discipline, it's lack of structure. The biggest mistake beginners make is confusing exposure with mastery. Watching a 2-hour SQL tutorial does not mean you understand SQL, or finishing a course does not mean you can solve a business problem. And data analytics is about solving problems, not memorizing syntax. This is where most people get stuck for months. Instead of asking, what tool should I learn next? Start asking, what problem can I solve with the tools I already know? That single mindset change speeds up your progress dramatically, because now you're practicing thinking, not just watching. And here's the structure I recommend. Phase 1, you understand fundamentals of Excel. Understand how to clean data and how to think logically. Then you can move over to pivot table, basic dashboard. In phase 2, you move over to SQL, not just learning select statements. Understand filtering, joins, grouping, real world queries. In phase 3, you need to start building projects immediately. Not after 6 months, immediately, because project exposes your gaps faster than tutorial ever will. In step 4, that is when you start thinking like an analyst, because now you can solve business questions. You can clean messy data, you can clean outputs, you can explain insights clearly. So that loop builds competence faster than 10 random courses you ever take. And here is something most people won't tell you. The reason many beginners feel stuck is not because data analytics is hard. It's because they are trying to learn like students. But analysts don't think like students. They think like problem solvers. And that shift is what I'll break down in my next video. Data analytics is one of the most valuable skills you can build right now, but only if you approach it strategically. Stop jumping randomly. Stop collecting courses. Start building structured competence. If you are serious about becoming job ready, subscribe. Because on this channel, we don't just learn tools, we learn how to think like analysts.